Hello, everybody. I'm now in Manhattan, New York City. Today, June 22nd. New York City entered phase 2 of reopening, 2 weeks after it entered the first phase. According to the state's phased reopening plan, hair salons, barber shops, and outdoor dining are among businesses allowed to restart operating in phase 2. Some office works can also resume. This is a restaurant in Manhattan, New York City. There are some tables and chairs outside the restaurant. Some customers are eating here. In phase 2, outdoor dining is allowed and outdoor tables should be 6 feet apart. Employees must wear masks and the indoor dining area continues to be closed. This is a barber shop and it opens now. It only accepts 50% of its customer capacity and it has to follow rules like social distancing. According to the plan, businesses and offices should keep their capacity at 50%. Face covering and social distancing are mandatory. 300,000 people are expected to return to work in phase 2.